Hello and welcome to this quick yoga flow for flexibility and stress relief. If you can't join me right now, just bookmark this video and come back to it when you can. We're going to start in an easy seat, so cross your legs, or you can have your legs out in front of you if that's more comfortable. Sitting up nice and tall through the crown of the head, allowing the shoulder blades to slide down and back, and taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, sighing out any tension from your day, filling the lungs, and allowing yourself to root down in this present moment. Let's begin by taking some neck rolls. So drop your right ear to your right shoulder, and then roll your neck, your head forward, slowly over to the other side. Pause for a second, and then switch over and go to the other side. Let's take 4 of these at your own speed. Wherever you are, sit up tall, coming through center. We're going to switch the bend of your legs. So if you were right leg in front, just switch it over, give the other leg a chance. Sitting up nice and tall now, we're going to take a twist. So reach the fingertips up to the sky. You're going to plant your right hand behind you, left fingertips can be to the floor, sitting up tall, looking up and over your back right shoulder. With every inhale, think about sitting up taller through the crown of the head. As you exhale, further the twist. We'll take a few deep breaths here. On your next breath, coming back through to center, we'll switch over to the other side. Fingertips reach to the sky. Exhale, we twist. Inhaling to sit up nice and tall, and exhaling to deepen the twist. Inhale, come back to center. Unravel your legs, let your feet come out in front of you. And you have 2 options here. If your hips are very tight, you might just want to do a modified figure 4 stretch. So what we're going to do is place one leg out straight, cross the right ankle over the left knee, and just sit forward. And you might not need to go very far to feel a stretch through that right hip. If you like, you can bend that left leg and you'll deepen the stretch even more. So kind of play around with it and feel what feels good in your body. Giving yourself a little grace if you're doing this first thing in the morning, because you're always way more tight when you first wake up. And we'll take one more breath. Release that leg down long. You can wiggle them out a little bit, and we'll switch over to the other side. So left ankle hooks over on the right knee. Make sure you're either going up to the thigh or down to the shin. Don't put any weight on that knee if you can avoid it. And you can take a forward fold here if that feels good. Or you can bend your right knee, coming into a seated figure 4 stretch here. Next, we're going to come into a side bend. So take your legs out in front of you again. And we're going to take your right foot to your inner left thigh And we're going to reach up and over with the right arm to feel the side bend, side stretch all along this right side. And try to keep your chest open here, externally rotating so that your chest is open to the sky. We'll take a few deep breaths here. And let's take it to the other side. So left foot comes to the inside of the right leg. And we side bend, reaching up and over with the left fingertips, thinking about one long line of energy from your left fingertips all down the left side of the body. Last breath. Taking the legs out in front, and you can cross your legs to come into an all fours position. Let's take a couple cat and cow rounds. So we're going to inhale, gaze up to the sky, tailbone lifts, arching through the upper back. And then on the exhale, round and look to the ground, opening up through the shoulder blades, finding a lot of space through your upper back. We'll take a few rounds like this, inhaling to look up, stretching through the front of the neck, opening through the shoulders, and exhaling, finding space in the back body. One more time each way. Inhale and exhale. We have a few more now, opening up a little bit more through the hip flexors. So we're going to step that right foot forward, coming into a lunge position, allowing left hip to melt towards the earth to open up through the left hip flexors. Your hands can be on your right thigh if that's comfortable, or you can go for more extension through the fingertips. Or if you're feeling spicy, you could take a prayer twist. So hooking that left elbow over the right knee. Gazing up and over that right shoulder if you're taking a twist. Wherever you are, take one more breath in. And on your exhale, fingertips to the mat, press back, coming into a half split, feeling an amazing stretch to the back of that right leg. Fingertips to the mat, think about elongating through the crown of your head here. Flexing through the right toes. Let's do that on the other side. Take your left foot forward, melting your hips down towards the earth to open up through the right hip flexors. And you can have your hands on your thigh or fingertips up, or take a twist. Hooking the right elbow over that left knee, pressing your palms together. Wherever you are, fingertips find the mat. You're going to step into a seated position again. Legs out in front if that's comfortable for you. We're going to end with one big cactus arm stretch. So inhale, fingertips up to the sky. And exhale, drive your elbows down and back as you open through the chest. And give yourself a big hug. Thank you for joining me for this very quick and easy flexibility flow. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me for more flows like this, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.